Sa gitna ng mga isyu at pangangailangan na kailangang tugunan at harapin, gaya ng infrastructure projects,
dapat maadresan natin yung basura so that yung 20% development fund ng city government talagang magagamit mo sa infrastructure development ng city, vertical as well as horizontal. Yung horizontal, we have a lot of concerns in the city, kagaya ng sewer lines, so that lahat sana ng sewer can be directed to the sewerage treatment plant. And then, yung mga flood protection dito sa Balili River, dapat malinisan natin yan as part, again, ng ating environment. But may lugar dyan na kailangan na i-strengthen natin yung flood protection, and then yung mga drainage, and then yung mga kalsada pa rin, yung mga barangays natin, so that kung magawa natin yung mga kalsada that goes to the different barangays to be connected with the circumferential road, we will minimize yung mga vehicles that go to the central business district area of the city every day, that will help decongest also the central business district area. And with the blessing of the Lord, we'll go back as your janitor. We will start doing what we can to address what we had enumerated as the pressing and serious problems of our city.
vote Attorney Maurice Dumogan for mayor.